13th one, tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4. This value we need to find out. Now, before simplifying this value, we need to check that the angle is in the range or not. Actually, tan inverse range is clearly open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. From minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, this angle is not exist. This angle is total how much? 135 degrees. It is not in this range. We need to reduce that angle. 135 is clearly it is in second quadrant. Second quadrant, to get the same function, we need to write in the form of pi minus theta. Should not take 90 plus theta, because 90 plus theta again function changes. We need same tan only, but we need to reduce this angle to get into the range. So here tan inverse of tan of 3 pi by 4 I am writing like this, pi minus pi by 4. If you simplify this, again we will get same angle only. As for this, we have formula what here? Tan pi minus theta, what is the formula? Tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. Now your tan inverse of minus tan pi by 4. Again minus tan theta, we can write tan of minus theta. So here tan inverse of tan of minus pi by 4. Now minus pi by 4 clearly in the range. That's why you can cancel out tan and tan inverse. What is the value we got? Minus pi by 4. Next, 18th one. 18th question. Tan of sine inverse 3 by 5, cot inverse 3 by 2. This value we need to find out. The inside one value is sine inverse, another value is cot inverse. Now, first we will consider this is A and this is B. Let A equal to sine inverse 3 by 5. From this, sine A equal to 3 by 5. Next, second value assume as B, cot inverse of 3 by 2. Now cot B equal to 3 by 2. Now assuming this is A and B, this total becomes tan of A plus B form. But we don't know tan A and tan B. We need to find from these two values by using Pythagoras theorem concept. Assuming this is A angle. As for this, sine is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. And 3 5 means what is the adjacent value? 4. It's a known value. It's coming to cot. We know cot B already. We can find out tan B easily because reciprocal of cot is tan. So 3 by 2 gives what will get? 2 by 3. Directly you will get. Now from this, total expression becomes what here? Tan of this is A and B. Tan of A plus B. From this. Now from this triangle we can get tan A value. What is the tan A value? Tan A value is opposite by adjacent. From this what you write? 3 by 4. Now apply formula tan A plus B. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan A value how much? 3 by 4. Tan B value 2 by 3 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. LCM from 4 and 3 LCM is 12. Here 3 times multiplied, 3 3s are 9 plus 8 by 12 whole divided by. For denominator also what is LCM? 12. 12 ones are 12 minus 3 2s are 6 by 12. Now 12 gets cancelled. 9 plus 8 17 by 12 minus 6 is 6. This is the value of the 18th question. Here 91, find the value of cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6. It's important for 2 marks. Cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 clearly its angle how much? Pi by 6 30. 37 is 210. 210 is clearly in third quadrant. But actually the range of cos inverse is what? Closer to 0 to pi. That means 0 to 180. It is not in the range to cancel out to simplify cos and cos inverse. We need to reduce this angle. In third quadrant, we can write angle in the form of pi plus theta format. So here cos of, I am writing this 7 pi by 6 like this, pi plus pi by 6. But actually cos of pi plus theta, what you get? Minus cos theta. Here cos inverse of minus cos pi by 6. Here again minus cos, don't take inside this minus. It is not possible for cos. Again this in the place of minus cos theta format, we can write like this into second quadrant angle, that is cos of pi minus theta, because cos negative in third quadrant and second quadrant also. Now here, actually this given angle is in third quadrant, that's why I applied it to pi plus theta format, we got minus cos pi by 6. To simplify this, again to simplify this, to eliminate this minus, I am writing minus cos theta like this into second quadrant angle, that is cos of pi minus theta. That is cos inverse of minus cos pi by 6, I am writing cos of pi minus pi by 6. That is cos inverse of cos. Take LCM 6 pi minus 5. 5 pi by 6. Now check this angle is in the range or not. It's clearly in the range. Pi by 6 is 30. 30 into 5. It's clearly 150 degrees in the range only. That's why you can simplify this. And what is the value we got? 5 pi by 6. Next, 20th question. Find the value of sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. This value we need to find out. It's very easy. Sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine of minus 30 is minus 1 by 2. That's why it is clearly at minus pi by 6. That means minus 30 degrees. In radians, it is clearly minus pi by 6. That's why it is minus pi by 6. From this, what you write? Sine of pi by 3 plus minus of minus plus pi by 6. Clearly, pi by 3 means 60. Pi by 6 means 30. 60 plus 30, how much? 90. 90 means in terms of radians what? Pi by 2. Now what is the sine pi by 2 value? 1. 1 is the answer for this given question. Next. Question number 21. So also find the value of tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse of minus root 3. We need to find these two values. Finally, we can evaluate the overall value. First, tan inverse root 3. Now, first value assume as y. So, y is equal to tan inverse root 3. From this, tan y equal to root 3. Tan y equal to this root 3 we can change into tan angle. How to change into tan angle? This tan pi by 3. So from this y value is pi by 3. Next, second value assuming some z is clearly cot inverse of minus root 3. Take this cot inverse left side, it will become 30 degrees. Now, while comparing angle, we require same sign. So, I am changing this one into cot z equal to cot of. Cot immediately will be in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant, the quadrant angle is pi minus theta forward. It's pi minus pi by 6. From this cot z equal to cot of, by taking LCM, pi by 6. Now cot cancel. Now z equal to pi by 6. Now clearly now y means what here? Tan inverse of root 3. That value is pi by 3. Z means cot inverse of minus root 3 equal to 5 pi by 6. Now overall value we need to find out. Tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse of minus root 3 equal to pi by 3 minus. What is cot inverse of minus root 3 is 5 pi by 6. For 3 and 6, what is the LCM? This 6 is the LCM. Now 2 times we will multiply here. 2 pi minus 5 pi, that is minus 3 pi by 6. You can cancel out this. 3 ones are 3, 2s are. Finally, what is the answer? Minus pi by 2. One more method you can do by using properties also. Next, coming to miscellaneous examples. This first one. Now this question is 2019 and 20 2 marks question. Find the value of sine inverse of sine 3 pi by 5. This 3 pi by 5 clearly not in the range of sine. The range is what? Close interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. We need to reduce this angle. How to simplify this angle? Sine inverse of sine 3 pi by 5, that is equal to sine inverse of. Before simplify this, we need to check this angle in the range or not. Then only we can cancel out sine of sine inverse value. Now this 3 pi by 5 I am writing as pi minus 2 pi by 5. Simplify this angle again, you have to get same. 5 pi minus 2 pi, again 3 pi by 5. I am splitting this angle into like this, pi minus 2 pi by 5. Now we know already sine of pi minus theta is sine theta only. So we have sine inverse of sine pi minus 2 pi by 5 is, so pi minus 2 pi by 5 is, you get 2 pi by 5. Now this angle clearly in the range. Pi by 5 means 180 by 5 if you take, how much we get? It's clearly 36. 36 2 0 means how much you get? Clearly 72. 72 in the range. But 3 pi by 5 will get more than that. It is not in the range. 108 will get, 108 is not in the range. So you can do, for example, 36 into 3, that only 108 will get. That is not in the range because sine range is from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now this angle clearly in the range. Now it is simplified. And what is the value finally? 2 pi by 5. This clearly belongs to close interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Coming to next one. Second one. This one is also important for 2 marks, 3 marks. Step of models. Show that sine inverse of 3 by 5 minus sine inverse of 8 by 17 equal to cos inverse of 84 by 85. Now directly in PU we don't have sine inverse x minus sine inverse y formula. We need to use as per trigonometry formulas. For that, first let us assume first value is A. A equal to sine inverse of 3 by 5. Second value B. sine inverse of 8 by 70. From this, sin A equal to 3 by 5. Sin B equal to 8 by 70. As per Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the values. That is A angle. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse. In this directly we know the adjacent value. In this combination, clearly this is what we get 4. If you don't know, use Pythagoras theorem to find the values of adjacent. We know by using Pythagoras theorem how to find adjacent value from the two sides. Coming to B angle, some different technique, no problem, values wise. Now again sin is what here? Opposite by hypotenuse. If you don't know this AB length, adjacent length, we can find generally also. How to find AB length? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. If you want to take different triangles, they are not required actually. Because these are known values only. From triangle ABC, if you don't know adjacent side AB, BC, you can change like that values wise. BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. Now BC 17 square. 17 square directly you can write 289. AB square we don't know, we need to find out. AC square, 8 square is 64. Take the 64 this side. Now AB square equal to 289 minus 64. How much will get? 225. Now take square this side and square root. Root of 225 is clearly how much? 15. Now we got adjacent value 15. From this, we know sin A and sin B. After assuming this is A and B, this total becomes what? A minus B. For example, becomes A minus B. Right side we need in terms of cos inverse. When you get right side cos inverse, left side it is in the form of cos of A minus B. Then you will get right side in terms of cos inverse. What is the cos of A minus B formula? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. We don't know cos A and cos B. We need to find those two values from these given terms. Now, from this, I will write cos A. Cos A means what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. 4 by 5. Here from this I will write cos B. Cos B I have to find adjacent by hypotenuse. 15 by 17. Now we have all 4 values. Sin A, cos A, sin B, cos B. Now we need to use, we know that cos of A minus B. We are taking cos of A minus B. After assuming this is A and B, it becomes A minus B. Right side we need in terms of cos inverse. That's why we are using cos of A minus B formula. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A value 4 by 5. Cos B value 15 by 17 plus sin A value 3 by 5, sin B value 8 by 17. 4 into 15, 60 by 85 plus 3 into 8, 24 by 85. What is the LCM here? 85. Add numerator 84 by 85. It's the left side cos of A minus B. Take cos right side. Now then cos A minus B equal to cos of 84 by 85. And what is A value? A value is clearly sin inverse of 3 by 5 minus B value sin inverse of 8 by 17. That is equal to cos inverse of 84 by 85. Next question. Third one. Third example. Show that sin inverse of 12 by 30 different form is there. One sine inverse, cos inverse and tan inverse. For easy purpose, try to convert all in terms of tan only, because in terms of tan we have directly formula. So for that, first let us assume first term is A. So normally sin A equal to 12 by 30. Second one is B. Cos inverse of 4 by 5. From this, cos B equal to 4 by 5. Next, third one considered as C. Tan inverse of 63 by 16. Take this tan left side. Tan C equal to 63 by 16. Now already you are using this one in many times directly as per Pythagoras theorem. Known values only. We can find out the other side. If we take this is A angle, sine means opposite by hypotenuse. In this combination, adjacent already we know many times using from 10th class onwards. So here 12 means is adjacent clearly 5. How to find adjacent if you want means root of hypotenuse square minus opposite square. 13 square is 169, 12 square is 144. 169 minus 144 is 25, root 25 is 5. So coming to next one, cos B. This is adjacent by hypotenuse. This is a 4 pi means what is opposite you will get 3. Now only this 2 is enough. Later use tan C also. Now from this I will find out tan A, because third term already in terms of tan is there. Tan A means what? Opposite by adjacent. 12 by 5. From this find out tan B. 3 by 4. Now in this combination, we know the formula for tan of A plus B. By applying tan of A plus B, we will get in the form of tan C also finally. After getting the simplified value, tan of A plus B, what formula? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan A value how much? 12 by 5. Tan B value 3 by 4. Whole divided by 1 minus 12 by 5 into 3 by 4. What is the LCM for 5 and 4? It's clearly 20. Multiply 12 4s are 48 plus 5 3s are 50 by whole divided by 20. Total value divided by 5 4s are 20. And multiply 20 minus 12 3s are 36 by 20. And 20 gets cancelled. Left side, what is the value there? Tan of A plus B equal to, what is the numerator? 48 plus 15 means 63 by 20 minus 36. Clearly minus 16. Now minus 16 means total what? Minus 63 by 16. Now tan of A plus B equal to minus of 63 by 16. The value of which one? Tan C. That's why I am taking this is tan C. You are not able to compare angles. Reason, here positive and here negative. How to convert this negative? Tan inverted negative in which quadrant? Second quadrant. And getting to same angle. Same angle means value tan of pi minus secant. Getting same function but sign is negative. So second quadrant tan of pi minus theta format. So equivalence of minus tan C, I am writing tan of pi minus C. Here tan of A plus B. Now we can compare angles. Function is same and sign also same. Now A plus B equal to pi minus C. Take minus C left side. A plus B plus C equal to pi. Now what is A, B, C? Replace. What is A value? Sine inverse of 12 by 30. What is B value? Cos inverse of 4 by 5. What is C value? Tan inverse of 63 by 60 is equal to pi. That is a required. We need to show this equation. We got as this. So next one, b cos x plus a sin x, comma, if a by b tan x greater than minus 1. They are asking simplified means we need to get simplified value. When you get simplified value, outer function is tan inverse. If you convert inner function in terms of tan, then that is gets cancelled. You will get the simplified value. It's clear by some a minus b by some on a plus b form. We need to convert this into some tan of a minus b or tan of a plus b. Actually, this will get in terms of tan of a minus b format. How to convert this? If you divide this, whatever term exists in denominator, first place, b cos x, divide for numerator and denominator. Divide b cos x for numerator and denominator. Tan inverse of a cos x minus b sin x whole divided by b cos x total divided by b cos x plus a sin x by b cos x. Now tan inverse of, divide for every value, a cos x by b cos x minus b sin x by b cos x total divided by b cos x by b cos x plus a sin x by b cos x. Now we have cos x cancelled, b cancelled, b cos x cancelled. Here next, tan inverse of a minus b minus sin by cos tan x by here 1 plus a by b into tan x. This one you can combine with already we have property tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula. What is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula? Tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy form. If you consider this is x and this is y, clearly it is in the form of tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Now what will you get? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. This term already existed. Then we use this formula from this. What will you get? Tan inverse of, what is x? A by b minus tan inverse of, in the place of y convert, what is there? Tan x. Our tan inverse cancel. Finally, we will get simplified value tan inverse of a minus b minus x. And one more thing, for the same question, they can give in the place of a and b numbers also. For example, a is 2, b is 3. They can ask like that also. Same model, we can try just replacing, simplify like this. Simplify tan inverse of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x by 3 cos x plus 2 sin x. Same formula, but they can change the symbol. Now it is also 2 marks important, very important, same model in this condition. It's a equal or there will be 2 mark or 2, 3 symbol or other number also whatever, method will be same. Divide for numerator and denominator with 3 cos x. This is also 2 marks, very important model. Let's come to next example. Next example, it's very important for 3 marks. Solve tan inverse of 2x, tan inverse of 3x equal to pi by 4, and clearly x is greater than 0. Now they solve means don't try to prove or show that LHS to RHS. Solve or find means we need to take complete equation. From that equation we need to find the unknown value or x value. Here we need to take complete equation. What equation is given? Tan inverse of 2x plus tan inverse of 3x is equal to pi by 4. It is clearly in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y form. What is the formula? Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x square. Here x is the 2x, in the place of y come 3x. Tan inverse of 2x plus 3x by 1 minus 2x into 3x equal to pi by 4. Now take this tan inverse right side. 2x plus 3x, 5x by 1 minus 2 3s are 6. X into x is x square equal to tan pi by 4. Now 5x by 1 minus 6x square, tan pi by 4 is 1. Now cross multiply this value. 5x equal to 1 minus 6x square. Take these two terms left side. Now minus 6x square becomes plus 6x square. Already plus 5x is there. Plus 1 becomes minus 1. It is clearly quadratic equation. We need to factor this. What are the factors you will get? 6x square into minus 1. That is minus 6x square. What are the factors we are taking? Sum we need to get 5x and the product we need to get minus 6x square. That's why I am taking factors are 6x and minus x. If you multiply these two, you will get the minus 6x square. Add these two, you will get 5x. Now 6x square, 5x you can write 6x minus x minus 1 equal to 0. In these two I am taking 6x is common, remaining x plus 1. From these two I will take minus 1 common, x plus 1 equal to 0. Now again x plus 1 common into 6x minus 1 equal to 0. From the first factor, x plus 1 equal to 0, 6x minus 1 equal to 0. But x is minus 1, it is clearly not possible. The reason x is clearly greater than 0. That's why this is not possible. And from this, 6x minus 1 equal to 0 means x value how much you get? 1 by 6 is the solution of the equation. Only one solution. Minus 1 is not a solution to the given equation. Reason is x is only positive value. Coming to the miscellaneous exercise models. First model, find the value of the following. In this first question, cos inverse of cos 13 pi by 6. The 13 pi by 6 clearly not in the range of cos inverse. Reason, it is the range of cos inverse is closer to 0 to pi. It is clearly it is more than 180 is there. So we need to simplify this. 13 pi by 6 we can write 2 pi plus pi by 6. Take the same again. 6 to the 12 pi plus pi, 13 pi by 6. 2 pi plus theta, which quadrant? Clearly first quadrant. 2 pi minus theta is fourth quadrant. 2 pi plus theta is in first quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. For 180 and 360 function not changes. That's why here clearly cos inverse of cos 2 pi plus pi by 6 will get again cos pi by 6 only. Now cos inverse cancel. What's the value? Pi by 6, it is in the range. Next question. Second one. Tan inverse of tan 7 pi by 6. Here also we need to check it is the 210 degrees. But the range of tan inverse is what? Open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. It is not in that range. We need to simplify this. How to simplify? Tan of 7 pi by 6 means it is in third quadrant 210 degrees. 210 you can write 180 plus 30. 180 means what? Pi. 30 means pi by 6. Simplify again, we need to get same angle. 6 pi plus pi, 7 pi by 6. We are splitting this angle into this form. Again, pi plus theta, which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan is positive, and for pi angle, function not changes. So here tan inverse of tan pi plus pi by 6, you get again tan pi by 6 only. Now tan inverse cancel. And what is the value? Pi by 6. Next models are other models. Coming to third one. Prove that 2 sine inverse of 3 by 5 equal to tan inverse of 24 by 7. We need to convert this value in terms of tan inverse. To take the LHS, what 2 sine inverse of 3 by 5. We have formula condition wise. How to convert this sine inverse in terms of tan inverse directly? Sine inverse directly we don't have any formula for in terms of tan inverse, but 2 tan inverse in terms of sine inverse we have formula. For that, a simple manner, this sine inverse try to convert in terms of tan inverse. How to convert? Let assume this sine inverse as A. From this, side A equal to 3A, 3 by 5. As per Pythagoras theorem, sine means opposite by hypotenuse. This is 3 and 5, this is what you get? 4. From this I will find out tan A. Tan A is 3 by 4. From this A, what we get? Tan inverse of 3 by 4. Why I am converting? We have a formula 2 tan inverse x in terms of tan inverse. Let's say from sine inverse, I am finding tan inverse y. This also A only, but it is in different form. Here it is in terms of sine inverse, here in terms of tan inverse. Now in the place of this, LHS value, after assuming A, this will become LHS like this. 2 into sine inverse of 3 by 5 becomes A. And in the place of A, you can convert in terms of tan inverse. What? 2 tan inverse of 3 by 4. 2 tan inverse x in terms of tan inverse. What is the formula? Tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. 2 tan inverse x. What? Tan inverse of 2x, 2 into 3 by 4 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square is 9 by 60. From this, what you can write? Tan inverse of 2 into 3, 6 by 4. Don't cancel now. LCM is 16. 16 minus 9 by 16. 4 ones are 4 fours. This 4 comes to numerator. Tan inverse of 4 6 are 24 by 16 minus 9 is clearly 7. That is the required RHS value. Let's come to the next one, fourth one. Next 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 all are one type of models. Fourth one, prove that sine inverse of 8 by 17, sine inverse of 3 by 5 equal to, we need tan inverse of 77 by 36. Clearly remember the given terms in terms of tan inverse, but we need in terms of tan inverse. Now for that, assume first value is A. Second value is B. Now from this, sine A is 8 by 17, sine B is 3 by 5. As per Pythagoras theorem, this is A angle means, sine A means it is opposite and hypotenuse. In this combination, just now we discussed one model in the examples. 17 and 5 means root of 17 square, 289. 289 minus opposite square, 8 square is 64. You get root of 225. 225 means how much? 15. That's why adjacent is clearly 15. Directly we can do easily. No need to solve away. Next, sine B for B angle. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse. And adjacent how much you get? 4. Now from this, sine A, sine B, but don't find a cos A and cos B, no use. Reason, if after assuming this is A and B, it becomes A plus B, right side what is there? Tan inverse. When you will get right side tan inverse, left side it is there tan. That's why we need to find tan of A plus B. So tan of A plus B, what formula? Tan A, tan B plus, and tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So find out tan A first. Tan A value. Tan A means opposite by adjacent. 8 by 15. Next tan B. 3 by 4. Here A and B, A plus B, we need to use formula. Tan of A plus B. Right side what is that? Take left side, we will get in terms of liquid form. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan A is 8 by 15. Tan B is 3 by 4 by 1 minus 8 by 15 into 3 by 4. LCM of 15 and 4 is what? 60. Now 8 4s are 32. 15 3s are 45 by 60 whole divided by 15 4s are 60 and multiply minus 8 3s are 24 by 60. Now 60 gets cancelled. Now left side what is the value? Tan of A plus B equal to 32 plus 45. It's clearly 77. 60 minus 24, it is 36. Now we can take tan right side, it will become tan inverse, replace A value and B value. All are same model now. 77 by 36. Now replace A value. A is sine inverse of 8 by 17. B is sine inverse of 3 by 5. Equal to tan inverse of 77 by 36 is a required equation. Coming to the fifth one, it is a 2018 and 19 3 marks question. Previous year model. Same, prove that cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13 equal to cos inverse of 33 by 65. It is easy how to do. Assume A and B. Which format use? Cos of A plus B. Reason? Right side in terms of cos inverse required. If you use cos of A plus B formula, we can get required value. Cos A cos B we know, but cos of A plus B formula what? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. By using Pythagoras theorem, we need to find sin A and sin B and simplify. This is homework. Fifth one. Next, sixth question. Prove that cos inverse of 12 by 13 sin inverse of 3 by 5 equal to sin inverse of 56 by 65. From this, after assuming here A and this is B, we will get cos A and sin B. But right side in which form? Sin inverse. That means we need to use sin of A plus B formula. Sin of A plus B formula what? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Here unknown values are what? Sin A unknown value and cos B is unknown value. By using Pythagoras theorem, find out those two values and use sine of a plus b formula, will get answer. Next, seventh one. Prove that sine inverse of pi by 13 cos inverse of 3 by 5 equal to tan inverse of 63 by 16. This also how to do means assume A and B. After assuming A and B, it becomes A plus B. Right side we need in terms of tan inverse means left side it will become tan of A plus B. Tan of A plus B means required values tan A and tan B. From sine A and cos B, find out tan A and tan B by using right angle triangle concept, Pythagoras theorem. Next, eighth one. Eighth one, prove that tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 8 equal to pi by 4. We need to prove that. Here I will explain this question no problem. Reason here 2 times we need to apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula for these 2 terms, for next 2 terms. Again we need to apply 4 times. Total 3 times we need to use. Take the LHS 5, 6 and 7. These 3 questions are homework. Everyone practice today only. Now take the LHS. What LHS? Tan inverse of 1 by 7. So 1 by 5 first value. Plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Plus tan inverse of 1 by 3. Plus tan inverse of 1 by 8. Take these 2 terms as 1. Next 2 terms. Both are in which formula? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. What formula? Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x into 1 plus next tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 8 by 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 8. 5 and 7, what is LCM? It is 35. Tan inverse of 7 plus 5 by 35 divided by 35 minus 1 ones are 1 only by 35. 35 gets cancelled. Plus tan inverse of, for 3 and 8 LCM is 24. 8 plus 3 by 24 whole divided by 3 8s are 24 minus 1 by 8, 24. 24 gets cancelled. From this, tan inverse of 7 plus 5, it's clearly 12 by 34 plus tan inverse of 8 plus 3, 11 by 23. Cancellation you can do here. 2 6 are 2 17. Tan inverse of 6 by 17 plus tan inverse of 11 by 23. Again we need to use formula what here? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. Tan inverse of x means 6 by 17 plus 11 by 23 divided by 1 minus 6 by 17 into 11 by 23. 23 into 11, sorry, 17 not 11. So here 17 into 23, how much will you get? So 1, 2, 14 plus 2, 16, 3 and 2. How much will you get? 1, 9, 3. 3, 91 is the LCM. From this, tan inverse of 23, 6 are how much? 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13 plus 17 into 11, 170 plus 17. Total how much again? 187. By LCM for numerator and denominator both are same only. What is LCM? 391. This 391 is multiplied here. 391 minus 6 into 11 is 66. 325. 391 minus 66. Here 11 minus 6, 5. 8 minus 6, 2. Product 325. Now here 325, 325 both gets cancelled. Now here tan inverse of 325 by 325 both gets cancelled. And this is what here tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 means what is the angle? It's clearly pi by 4. Total 3 times we introduce this formula.